Ready? 3, 2, 1, start. In order to appreciate the rival contentions, it is necessary first to examine the order dated 8th March 2006 passed by the learned Metropolitan Magistrate refusing the request of respondent to send the two checks in question for the opinion of the handwriting expert in the CFSL. Stop. The operative portion of the said order reads as under. Para. A perusal of the records shows that as per the order dated 31/8/2005, two applications were moved on behalf of the accused. Stop. However, subsequently to that, there is nothing to show that the said applications were either pressed or disposed of. Stop. In fact, the accused had moved an application dated 17/8/2005 for summoning defense evidence, which was allowed wide order dated 13/9/2005. Stop. Thereafter, as well opportunities were granted to the accused for defense evidence, which was closed on 17/12/2005. Stop. In the application dated 31/8/2005, it was averred that the complainant had misused the checks given to him as part of business understanding and had filled in the checks himself in different inks and different handwriting, and this fact needs to be examined after examination by the handwriting expert in order to determine the actual reality pertaining to the checks. Stop. It is averred that prima facie, from the face of it is clear that the checks have been misused by the complainant, as the same were never issued towards discharge of any liability. Stop. It is averred that the checks be sent to handwriting expert in the CFSL lab at Hyderabad to know whether the checks have been filled in different handwritings and different inks, and examination of the handwriting expert is material to prove defense of the application. Stop. It is thus prayed that the checks be sent to handwriting expert in the CFSL lab at Hyderabad. Stop. Para. As per the accused, the checks were issued as a security and amount of checks was filled in by the complainant by misusing the same. Stop. However, the accused has not disputes the signatures on the check. Stop. The accused has already laid his evidence in defense, and whether the writing on the check is the same as the signatures or of a different person can be judicially taken note of by the court under the provisions of Evidence Act. Stop. In the light of the above, no ground is made out to send the checks to handwriting expert in the CFSL lab at Hyderabad. Stop. Accordingly, the application is dismissed. Stop. Para. It is not possible to accept the submissions of the learned counsel for the respondent that the question whether the checks should be sent for the opinion of the CFSL was left open for consideration of the learned Metropolitan Magistrate at a subsequent point in time. Stop. The aforementioned order expressly rejects such request without any qualification. Stop. It only states that question whether the writing of the checks is the same as the signatures of the accused or of a different person can be judicially taken note of under the provisions of the Evidence Act. Stop. Over.